I've got 2 days until Lise goes in for surgery, so I gotta get this place cleaned up for when she's ready to go in.
I gotta speed it up. Shower doors are a pain in the butt.
Viva Mexico!
Yeah!
When I can't fall asleep, I lost my will to eat. I smoked endless cigarettes all night and lie awake and weep. I tried to drown my sorrows, but it turns out sorrows float. The only glad tomorrow is the one where you come home. My heart is bleeding, ooh, I'm bleeding. There's only one thing I need. Won't you come back